And everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, as some of you may or may not know, I went and did a charity bike ride in, I think it was August or July, and we raised 625 or 50 quid. So today we are going to go in the Mini and we're going to go over to Boston. And yeah, and we're going to go and donate this money and see what we can do and see what we can help them with. Yeah, so I'll put in a few videos of the Mini going, and I'll get a few pictures as well. It'll only be a couple of minutes long, this video, just to end the sort of the charity thing that we did. But yeah, I'll catch you in the car and I'll see you soon. Right, so we've got home and donated the money and they're over the moon. What they're going to hopefully use, well, what they said the idea is with the money is they're going to buy these special beds, or their chairs, for the people who have cancer to sit in the day. And then when their family come over, say if they're not gonna move out of where they are, then the family can come over, then the sofa will turn into a bed sort of thing. So it's like a sofa bed, but it will allow a family who's got someone with cancer there, for them to come over and stay over for a weekend or a night or something to be with them. So it will allow families to be a bit closer, even though, like cancer, it won't change anything, but it will allow them to be closer anyway, and closer to their loved ones who's got the condition or whatever. So yeah, massive thank you to everyone who helped me raise the money. I'm hopefully going to do something next year. I'm going to try and do something related to cars somehow. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I want to do something charity. It probably isn't for cancer though this time. I want to do something else. I don't know what yet, but yeah, thank you for supporting and donating like you did. If you want to donate, then let me know, sort of thing. I'm sure I can send, because now I have their sort of address sort of thing, I can sort it out and donate it. Just let me know. But yeah, I'll end it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very shortly.